On the ball means doing a good job. Break the ice means make people feel more comfortable. It's raining cats and dogs means it's raining hard. Hit the sack means go to sleep. Under the weather means sick. Costs an arm and a leg means very expensive. A perfect storm means the worst possible situation. In the meantime means during the time before something happens or before a specific period ends. Expressions to use when asking to repeat the said words. Pardon me or pardon. I beg your pardon. Come again. What was that again? What? Huh? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my daily lessons and contents. And also remember to hit that like button. Expressions to use for saying something in other ways. In other words, that means, what I mean is, the point is. What I'm getting at is, what I'm driving at is, what I'm trying to say is. Expressions to use in checking whether someone has understood you or not. Got it? Did you get it? Right? Are you with me? Okay guys, and that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and subscribe for daily contents and lessons. These are also my prior contents that you can watch. See you with another video tomorrow.